Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today, let me present my research about antibiotic inventory policy design for minimizing total inventory costs in pharmacies based on ABC fuzzy classification analysis approach using probabilistic continuous review method. My name is Novarani Sidik as the first author. The second author is Mr. Adriano Ridwan STMT, and the third author is Mr. Budi Santosa STMT. On the left, there is a graphic that shows the excess budget is caused by an antibiotic that are overstocked on every month in 2019. PT XYZ is a company that engaged in providing medicines. The company is responsible for the medication needs of company employees. One type of medication provided by the company is antibiotics. The antibiotic category have a higher number of SKUs than the other category. The company is faced with an antibiotic supply conditions each month, which is caused by the number of antibiotic purchases that do not yet have a standard number or amount for each SKU. This results in a high total cost of antibiotic supplies incurred by the company. The erratic amount of purchases is also caused by the lack of a classification process for antibiotic at the company, so that all SKUs have the same priority in handling them. In this research, the antibiotic classification process will be carried out using ABCFC classification, the results of which is will calculated using the continuous review method to determine the appropriate inventory policy for antibiotic at the company, so as to minimize the total cost of inventory. On the right, there is a graphic that shows the total inventory cost of PT XYZ for 2019 exceeds the budget for antibiotics inventory. The total inventory cost that is under the budget only happened on February 2019. Most of the previous research that discuss about the pharmaceutical item inventory using ABCV, the analysis approach as the classification, and the probabilistic continuous review method as the method. The VD analysis only use one criteria to make the classification. This research changed the VD analysis to fuzzy classification analysis because the fuzzy classification use more than one criterion to make the classification, hoping that the classification result will be more specific than using VED analysis. This research used the criticality, severity, demand average, and movement as the criterion on the classification process. The methodology that used in this research are first inventory, second ABC fuzzy classification, third probabilistic inventory control, fourth continuous review model formulation, and fifth Hadley-Wittin model. Data processing is done after all the data has been collected. The data processing steps to be carried out are as follows. First, calculating the cost of existing inventory. Second, perform ABCFC analysis of the product demand data. Third, perform continuous review SNS and continuous review SNQ inventory policies with parameters order point, safety stock, and maximum inventory level. Fourth, conduct a comparative analysis of existing conditions and proposal. ABC fuzzy classification analysis use the steps are the first, calculate the amount of absorption of fund for each type of antibiotic per year. Second, calculate the cumulative value of the percentage of absorption of fund and the cumulative value of the percentage of type of goods based on the order obtained from step 1. The third is conduct a fuzzy classification process with the result of the questionnaire from the SKUs as follows. On the left is the table of the questionnaire result. On the right is the example of the calculation result for the independent X1 severity attribute. The fifth steps is calculate average standard deviation, cut values, threshold, and membership function from non-nominal independent attribute. Those two tables shows the average, standard deviation, cut values, threshold, and membership function from non-nominal attribute. The sixth is calculate the final calculation result of the fuzzy classification with the calculation formula in ABC fuzzy classification. 7. combining the results of the ABC classification with fuzzy classification. And the last is the ABC fuzzy classification process is done by using Microsoft Excel. All the tables above are from the calculated on Microsoft Excel. On the left, there is a table that shows the final results on ABC fuzzy classification analysis for some SKU. The next is continuous review method on inventory policy calculation. The following is an example of calculating the ZFOX tablet using the continuous review model S&S with known demand, order cost, standard deviation, holding cost, lead time, and shortage cost. These are the first and the second iteration steps for the ZFOX tablet. You can see there are the Q, the alpha, Z alpha, R1, Q2, and R2. R2 and R1 have to be compared. If the value of R1 do not equal R2, then the process will be to the next iteration by repeating the two steps until the value is Ri minus 1 is equal to Ri. This example on ZFOX tablet shows the R1 do not equal the R2. So the iteration will continue until the Ri minus 1 is equal to Ri. 7. The calculation for ZFOX tablet gets optimal conditions at the 16th iteration. These are the calculation after getting the optimal results. So there are order point, order quantity, maximum inventory level, and safety stocks. After getting the result, we calculated the cost. There are order costs, holding costs, and shortage costs, and also the total inventory costs. To conduct the minimizing total inventory cost, the total inventory costs from the previous process have to be calculated. The total inventory cost from the previous process is called the proposed total inventory cost. Then it has to be compared with the existing total inventory cost that mentioned on the introduction. The proposed total inventory cost have to be lower than the existing. Then the minimizing process can be said to be successful. Besides is the table that shows the summary of total inventory cost from all antibiotics. These results limit the calculation on the 2019 historical data. The object that calculated on this research only the antibiotics category, and this research does not consider the inflation. The table on the right is the total cost of the purpose inventory cost on all SKU in antibiotic. Based on the result of data processing that has been done, it can be concluded that first, based on the antibiotic classification process at the company using the ABC fuzzy classification analysis approach, found that there are 142 SKU on very important category, 135 on important category, and 1,062 antibiotic SKU on the anti-important category. With the result from this classification, pharmacists at the company may have a new priority standard on controlling the antibiotics inventory. Second, based on the calculation of inventory policy using the method of probabilistic continuous review, after determining the amount of antibiotic purchases, or Q, order point, or S, safety stock, or SS, and also the maximum inventory level, big S, for antibiotic in the very important savings obtained from existing condition by 24% lower than the existing condition. Third, for the further research, researchers may use the other combination of the classification analysis such as VD fuzzy classification, or other combination is the researchers may add another criterion on fuzzy classification, such as the expired date of the drugs or the medical content on every drug, because this research didn't use those criterion. I think that's enough from me. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.